Hi， 大家好，欢迎来到第26课。Welcome to lesson 26. In this video, I will introduce two combined finals, uo and un. So it starts with u, combined with uo and un. So you have to speak it very fast. Connect these two alphabets together. 窝窝温温 So 窝 can be combined with de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, zhi, chi, shi, yu, zi, ci, si. And win can combine with all of these initials with an exception of ne. There's no combination between ne and un. So this is an exception. The first character we're going to learn is a combination of de and o with the first tone. De o duo. It means many or much, a lot. We have learned this character means little, few, less, 少. So we see there is a lot of people means 多, many. And if there's just one, two, it means 少. These two characters actually are opposite words. If you combine this opposite word together, say 多少, it means how many or how much is a question. For example, how much money do you have? Or how many people are there in your family? We ask 多少. This is a word. Next one, we learn a combination of ge and wo. Second tone. 歌我国 it means country. And we have learned 家 means home or family. We usually combine these two together. 国家 is also mean country. 国家 Here is a familiar character we learned in the previous video. Is 灭. At that time I explained at the bottom part is fire. And when you put a stretch on the top of fire means distinguish. So here is the character of fire. It's a combination of he and wo, third tone. 和我火 means fire. Again, you can combine these two together means distinguish the fire. 灭火 Okay. 灭火 Next one is table or desk. It's a combination of zhi and wo. 知窝桌 So any kind of table or desk for studying, for office, for dining. We say 桌子 So we put a 子 behind it. We have no tongue on it. It's a light. At the end, this is used as the end of this character. There is a lot of word. It's a combination of something plus a 子. It means the same. It's just more oral for talking. Say 桌子 In here we are going to learn say, speak, talk. It is a verb. A combination of 诗 and 窝 诗窝说说. And here is a new character. Hua is a combination of he and wa. First time we learned these finals in last video. Hua is a noun, means word, something you are talking about. So 说话, when you combine these two together, it is again a verb, means talk, say, or speak. 说话. Here we have a combination of ke and un first tone. Ke wen, kun. It means sleepy as an adjective. Or surround. It is a verb. It has two meanings. Here you can see it is a square, like mouth, right? And wood or tree is surrounded in here. So as a verb, it means surround. Something actually is locked down inside of a fence. The way it is written is like start from the left. Then we go for here. This is the second stroke. We don't close this gate yet. We go inside first. So means left to the right, top to the bottom, inside and outside gate. So we start from mu. And this is the last one of mu. At last, we close the gate. Kun, so it has two meanings. As adjective, sleepy. I feel sleepy. Say 我困了. Or something surrounded, stuck somewhere. 困. The last one we are going to learn another season. It's a combination of 吃 and 温 first tone. 吃温春. It means spring. So this character itself means spring. Usually when we were talking or writing, we say 春天. If you remember, this means sky, right? So weather, we learned in previous class. So spring weather combined together still means spring. Okay, this is all the content for this video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe this channel for update, and I highly appreciate if you can share with your friend who is interested in learning Chinese. Thank you. Bye.